So before I head to the grill and bring you a real chillaxed vibe, Talia will take you into one of the newest and hottest street dances, Yeng Yeng Fridays.
Me just buy a brand new bike. Me a the road kiss me girl good night. Gonna want make sure me brain light. If you watch them I run make sure you eye them bright. After 12 in the night, me no stop like the dancer somebody goes so like BH kite.
Friday night would not be complete unless we press gas in a Yeng Yeng Fridays.
Hold on! Yes, you can do this on your own. No, some boy on the baddest in the road. One Sunday girl have them a wash all bass now.
Yo, so them a gangsta and them gyal a run them head. Touch the street and them they will kill out.
Big up the people that welcome to Yeng Yeng Fridays for the first. Make we start to just so Yeng Yeng Fridays. Them Fridays are if you don't know your heart clean. Watch everything when we plan them don't forget. Yeng, 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 Yeng. Yeng, I go to Bagatti.
Yeng Yeng Friday, who are we seeing? It's the sexy ladies, them. Oh my God.
Every Friday, each and every Friday at Nannyville Corner. Every Friday after there.
Every Friday.
People like dance hall, and it's a dance hall. I know the dancing thing, all the people them do.
I'm not too gone away, you know. So when I do come out during the week, I one spot my forward and I Yeng Yeng.
Yeah, with that shouting as me say, it's implied, it's a work. Always the Lord. As usual, you know, I mean, the energy up. Slit, look funny.
Free, fun atmosphere. It's like, you just do what you want, though. Ladies, if you want cheat, you can just come here and cheat. You just do what you want, nobody now watch it.
For everybody become a ravers right yourself. Yeng Yeng Fridays, the vibe nice. The dance bad. Ding dong, big up yourself. I don't know how we manage to have a street dance every night, but we do. By the way, if you have a wicked street dance happening, let us know. We would love to experience that intensity.